Oh my god, my hair looks terrible.
What up, vlog?
We're going on a hike today. The group chat is reconnecting with nature. It's packed. We're an hour late.
Oh my god.
We finally walked like 10 minutes and made it to the actual trail. I'm scared. What if we're going the wrong way? What's up, YouTube? Oh, Roman's leaving us. So we have to somehow get to the bottom of this waterfall. I don't know how God's green that's gonna happen, but look at this pollution. I'm not gonna lie, you guys. Now this is the part we have to start going through. What? Where's the zipper?
Look.
Oh my god.
If you fall, I'm gonna laugh. Guys, deadass, what if I fall? Dude, let's go first. Oh shit. So are you enjoying your hike so far? I want to go home. She's already tired. This guy thinks he's Tarzan over here. God, genuinely, what are we doing?
I don't know. We're gonna go right that way. Lead the way, Roman. Get to the waterfall.
Alright, let's go. Come on. AJ,
AJ, lead the way.
I don't know. Hush.
Oh my god, I'm not. Put the thing on, right? I'm ready.
More like a live stream. This is fun.
I saw that. Oh shit, wait. She's short, you guys. How the fuck did they get down? Here, wait. I can go first again. Oh, you're smarter than
They're struggling over. What the fuck was that? Fuck, I hit my head. I thought she's not eat shit.
Film on this, because God forbid you fall in, this is waterproof.
Alright.
Make sure you pick up your trash. I know, I hate ruining the pollution of the world.
Whole squad's here, the boys. Tarzan's leading us over here. He has no idea what he's doing.
Are you okay? Yeah, like you have to go through the water.
All that shit though.
Oh god.
I'll wait here.
Oh my god, how the f are you just walking there? Oh my god. I'm scared.
I'm gonna fuck you up, bro. I have cash in my pocket.
By what? Does somebody want to carry me across? Someone want to carry me across? Oh my god, don't split please.
See the rock?
And I'm allergic to the cold!
Come on, put you up. Ready to go down right here.
Yeah.
What?
This isn't the right way!
No?
No, look.
Are you serious?
I'm not built for this!
Clearly. Sorry.
Oh my god, this is the part. Oh look, he's a walking stick. That's smart.
I'll get you a walking stick, you old
Oh yeah, go down, yeah. Carry yourself
moving so fast?
Roman, please don't fall.
What? Oh shit, guys, there's Roman.
Is it bad to say I need to go pee?
What?
Guys, the family that we were following just left, so like, is that our sign to turn back?
Dude, that's deep as. Why do you like to do stuff like this?
I just want my pictures for the gram, bro.
Are we even close?
Will you go step in there so I can see how deep it is, or no? You won't sacrifice yourself.
Yeah, sure.
Oh my god. That's bad. You can see but Daniel has AJ on his back. He's such a pretty prince. Oh shit, look at them. Taking the adventurous route. Wow.
One of them's gonna come falling down.
Okay, here's the
This
next
guy
issue.
especially.
It gets really deep right here, so I'm gonna recommend either Roman or you get Sophia on your back.
From there.
Yeah.
From there. Hold on.
No. Why are we still climbing?
Chris, come right here. Chris, come right here.
Oh my god, I'm scared.
Come right here.
Wait, we're gonna lose Roman.
Pick her up and put her on my desk.
Why are you the smart one right now?
What do you do?
I know.
Where did he go? Step on him there and step here. Go. Go.
No, I'm scared. You're fine. You're fine. Roman's all the way over there. Roman said, "Forget you guys."
Here, behind.
Oh yeah. I did it. So we're actually going the wrong way. And we're at the top of the waterfall. We can slide down it, but I don't want to end up with a broken bone. So I'm gonna put the camera down and I'll be back when we're going the right way. Okay, so we made it to the bottom of the waterfall. Now we gotta go. And they left me. I'm by myself. Okay. You know what? Forget them then.
Hey, do that fucking.
I'm gonna eat shit twice.
Oh shit!
I ate shit twice. I have a bruise on my ass and I cut my leg. I'm done.
AJ, stop being a bitch already, bro. You're gonna get wet, bro. You signed up for it. Oh shit. You know, walk through. Look at him, bro. Now he's just fucking. Let's go, Kayla. Come on. Just watch out. Don't let it take you. Kayla, this thing's like you're fucking up. Right here, your foot goes straight there. Watch it.
The current state of the hike. Me and AJ are done. Kayla's still trying to figure out a way to get over there, but I'm done. I've ate shit like 3 times and I'm over it, so I'm staying right here on this wall. This is the top in here. Kayla wants to take pictures. But, you know, here me and AJ are being geniuses. I'm not really sure how this is gonna happen, how it's gonna, oh, sorry, that's my, you see the dirt under my nail from all the times I ate shit? I don't know what their goal is. Oh my god, there's bugs! I don't know what their goal is. I don't know if they're trying to get up there or, I'm not really sure. But I know they will get it, and I'm here in case they eat shit, And I can call 911 when they crack their head open. Anything to say?
I want to go home.
Good comment.
I literally just did some rock climbing shit, and there's another one. Oh my god. All right, well, I'll see you guys when I get to the actual waterfall. Did it. Made it. Bam, bam.
Finally made it to the waterfall. Dana being a photographer.
We just finished the hike and we're walking back to the car. I'm probably gonna go get something to eat. I just want a matcha.
Pepper, make it dirty, and then another double smasher by itself. A large strawberry lemonade, a cheeseburger.
I'm getting canceled.
Oh shit, you were
Matcha Malone.
Oh, shit. Oh, Caleb. Oh, shit, Caleb. Trash the fucking car.
Oh, we have to call.
Say it. Say it. Dude, say that shit.
Bro, we're gonna leave you here, bro.
A bomb clock is look.
What the fuck?
Said it. You didn't do the drizzle.
What the fucking drizzle is?
Get ready, guys.
What the fuck? Fucking moving.
That's how you do it, look.
Is that for it?
Oh fuck, this is mine.
Is that good, actually? I guess.
Oh yeah, banana pudding. This is what I came for.
Hey, this is God.
Wait, I need the shovel.
She needs a fucking shovel, dude.
Look how cute. Okay.
Ew. Oh no.
Give it to me. I'm gonna be pissed if this is good and we're having it on the last day. Okay.
Last day of what?
The last day of the week.
What?
Look how cute because of the little
Oh,
shovel.
so you would have gotten it more times?
Yeah.
Fucking badass. Sorry, I don't need a cuss.
Mmm.
I'm mad, bro.
Yeah.
Roman came prepared with this spoon.
Stop, bro.
Look at how cute this is.
Can the back seat have some?
Try it, bro.
Oh,
yes.
are we vlogging?
This one says it's like a Dole Whip kind of thing.
Oh, this one's long.
Hey, me too. You know what? And I hate everybody who tries to say pink sugar tastes like medicine.
I'm about to say
It
that.
doesn't. And I'm just surrounded by pink sugar haters. So, and then this one's called like Hawaiian something, Hawaiian cone. I don't know how to explain it, but this really does taste like Hawaii. Like somebody
Never
tastes
been
it.
to Hawaii.
No, but like the aesthetics of Hawaii, you know?
Today we're gonna do gas or ass, or gas or slap. So if it's good, I slap the shit out of the kid. Ready?
Wouldn't it be if it's bad?
This is bomb as fuck.